Diesel engines are known for their distinctive noise, but did you know these sounds can be analyzed and traced to specific sources? Engineers use frequency analysis to break down the noise spectrum produced by a diesel engine. Low-frequency noises often come from the combustion process and crankshaft operation, while high-frequency noises are typically linked to valve mechanisms and fuel injectors. By identifying these frequencies, engineers can locate problem areas, improve engine design, and reduce unwanted noise, resulting in quieter and more efficient diesel engines.